What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Luci here at CineFACTS in my studio in downtown Detroit to give you guys a small little after New Year's video about two vital tools that every cinematographer and photographer should keep in their kit. First off, I hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's, and I hope that 2020 will bring something positive in all your lives, like I'm hoping it will be for me. Without further ado, let's get right down to it. So, roll credits. I am here today to give you guys two tools that every cinematographer and photographer should keep in their kits at all times. The first tool I'm going to show you is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into much detail over it, but every cinematographer and photographer should always have a pocket knife or a folding razor blade like this, something sharp in their toolkit. A good example, why I have this on me at all times in my kit. Sometimes I forget my frost or diffusion at home or in my office, and I go on set and I don't have anything to soften my light more. Here's a good tip. Parchment paper works fantastically as frost or diffusion, but you don't want to play by ear, crumple it while you're trying to rip it. You want to make something that's uniform, that you can fit over your light. So that is when something sharp like this comes in handy. The nice thing about this is I got a 3-pack at Home Depot for about $12. So I keep a few of these at home. I keep one in my kit at all times. Just like me, I'm sure a lot of you guys have had problems on set. You had to think of quick solutions. How many of those solutions could have been handled by, using a knife or something sharp like this? This is a great tool to have. I highly recommend it. That being said, the next tool is really the home run in this video. The next tool I am presenting is this perfect SmallRig folding tool set. If you want to know the name of the tool exactly, it is 2213, which is the model number of this SmallRig. Now, this thing is killer. It is so small. It fits pretty much anywhere that I need it to fit inside my kit. I mean, the thing is small. It'll go into your pocket. It is just a fantastic tool to keep with you at all times. What are some of the best features of this little toolkit? The nice thing about this is it comes with 4 different size Allen wrenches. Now, the Allen wrenches range anywhere from a 2.5, a 3, a 4, or a 3/16. I assume that they're probably the most used Allen wrenches for most camera equipment. One of these that I absolutely love is the, what number is it? The number 3 Allen wrench on this. It is the one that fits all of my LED lights, my GVMs right there. And trust me, there is nothing more annoying than having a light that rocks back and forth because you can't tighten up the screws. Couple of other nice little tools to have on you right here. You have a slotted screwdriver. You do have one Torx T25 driver on it. Haven't used that. I don't know what I would use that for. I'm sure one day I'll come across it. You do have this beautiful little flathead. I assume it acts as a flathead, but the most use I get out of this one particularly is plates. Camera tripod plates. You don't have a quarter on you.
Does anyone have a quarter?
You don't have your keys on you maybe. This is a fantastic tool and you should always have it on you. It is annoying to have to finger tight your tripod plate onto your camera. Next thing you know, you're in the middle of shooting, your camera starts rocking left and right, and you're going, man, I really wish I had something to tighten this down. We've all been there. A couple other features on this. You do have a Phillips head screwdriver, which is fantastic. I know my tripod has Phillips head screws on them, so it's always nice when you feel that one leg starting to go in while you're shooting and you're trying to tighten it and it won't tighten. Boom, got you covered. It has saved my life more times than the money I've spent on it. Some nice things about this as well is you have these threaded holes on here. What do you use that for? Well, you use it to hold additional spare screws. You may be working on a tripod or on your lights. You got a couple screws that are hanging around. They may be small. You don't want to lose them. This little toolkit has these slotted holes in here for spare parts. Okay, I have a small screw on my tripod, but my rig has the larger size screws. What do I do with the small screw? I don't want to put it in my pocket. I don't want to lose it. I only have one. You thread that bad boy right there. You put it in your pocket. Guess what? You ain't gonna lose it. This tool is absolutely fantastic. I mean, no, I'll get that screw later. This tool is absolutely fantastic. I mean, it is a lifesaver and a half. I think this tool runs on the SmallRig website for about $20, not including shipping. Don't remember if they included free shipping with this item or not, but I highly recommend this. I mean, these are just two tools that every cinematographer should hold on to them. You know, you may not use this one as much as you use this one, but hey, at least you have something in your kit that'll get you out in a pinch if you need it to. If you have never heard of the company SmallRig before, I would highly recommend going on their website, checking out some of their equipment. They got some really great cages for cameras and just little knickknack stuff like this for every cinematographer. If you go on their website, I'm sure you can find something that you're like, oh man, that is really cool. I wish I could have that. And guess what? Most of you are probably adults and you can have it. So that is my little after New Year's video of two tools that every cinematographer and photographer should have in their kits. We'll see you next time on CineFACTS. All you people, have a lovely beginning to your 2020.